Welcome to this Sahara 4 exercise. In this exercise, we will visualize the production test that we imported in the previous exercise. For that, we will open our Sahara project. Here we can see that in the production window, we are plotting liquid production and oil production of the selected wells in the sum option, format sum here. So now we will add the production test. For that, in the same axis where we have plotted the production, let's add, for example, the oil production tests. For that, we have these options here. We have monthly productions, daily production, and production tests. So now we will select the production test and add oil rate. And here we can see that with this other shade of green, we have plotted the controls or tests, oil rate test of this well. So now if we click in different wells, we will see the different um, oil rates with these symbols here. Each one is going to have the date of the test that we imported. We can modify here in the variable in the variable branch of the test. We can modify how to show the different curve. In this case, we can join the test points by dash with a dash line, with a dot line, or just without any line at all. Here we can increase the thickness of this line or change the symbol of the curve that we are plotting, or also the size if we want to use bigger size for this control. Here we also can put a reference to define the variable with another name. For example, oil rate test barrel per day. And now we are seeing in the reference the new name of this curve. Here we can define also different options for the format. If we have a line, let's put back the line here. You can join the different points that represent the test with this different format, horizontal or areas as well. For now, let's leave it like straight and without any line. Here, let's add another axis now. We will plot, for example, the well level that we also imported as test. So now we will add a new axis, a new y-axis. In this case, this axis will add the production test, and here we have the fluid level. And here we have now plotted the fluid level at different dates. So now we will change the symbol. I want to use a deeper red. Let's use another symbol. Normally we use a fill triangle pointing down. We will increase the size a little bit and remove the line. So now we have the different well levels at different time, the different fluid level at different times. So yeah, that will be everything for this exercise. Thank you for watching and have a great day.